Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle channel. Today is day 51 of our beans farming experiment in dry season, apparently. And today is 29th of March 2025. So today I want to apply some chemicals to the beans. Normally, if we were planting in the field, in large scale, by now we should have applied the chemicals because insects would have been around infesting the whole thing. But because we're planting in small quantity and not that large, we've not seen any sign of insects and all these things that come to eat the leaves of the beans. So we've not really been so keen on doing that. Otherwise, we would have been doing that since at least once every week or once every 2 weeks or twice a week, depending on how serious whatever is happening to the beans is happening. But since it's not happening like that, we've not been doing it, but I just want to do it today. I want to apply, the normal one I do apply, Combat. So last year, August 30th, 2024, I did a documentary on the various types of chemicals I use on my farm. You can go check the video out. Fertilizers, chemicals, and other agro-allied products I use on my farm to enhance growth and productivity. You can go look up that video. I posted it in August 30th, 2024. Combat insecticides is what I do apply. We stop all this grasshopper from eating it, moths, weevils, and all that. So, and also someone said it actually also nourishes the beans too. So I'll just apply it now to just help the beans to perform more. Although the beans is performing, but I'll just still apply it. I'll also add Plant Protect. I'll add this one also, Plant Protect. Plant Protect. I'll add it to it. So just watch me as I do my mixing. Now go there. So on a normal, we can have 2 or 3 of these cups to one 16-liter. But we're only using 2 liters, so I won't just put much because the beans is not much. So I won't have to fill this up. And I want to mix these two together. So let's see. Just put a very little quantity. I don't need to put much. Let me also just put this. And since I'm not filling it up, let me shake it. Plant Protect. Then I'll just go and put some water. This thing is almost not enough. Let me put some more. Okay, this is not actually the cover that is being used. I forgot. The cover is actually bigger than this. There's one other thing outside this one. Go and put water. Doesn't have to be too much. I don't have to fill it up. Because Prince, will come and hold this thing for me. I'll shake it and I'll start spraying. Better. Ryan, please leave that place.
Come out of there.
In as much as I'm touching these chemicals like this, it's not good though. Move.
Move. Ryan, get out of there. Sorry.
Okay, sorry. Ryan, why are you crying? So that's it. I've come closer. I've applied this chemical to the beans plant to stop insects that normally come to eat it. Although I've not seen all the insects that come to feast on the leaves, but I'm just applying this. It also nourishes the plants too because there's plant protect. It helps it to grow properly and also prevent against insects. I'm very, very tired. That's why I'm talking like this. I've been working all day. So, but let me show you now if we have any flowers. I want to show you if we have flowers because since we're expecting flowers. So let me show you to you if we have flowers. So no flowers here. No flowers. I don't know if those things I'm seeing. I don't know if these things are flowers. We'll find out as the day goes by. But for now, no visible flowers on our beans plant. So that will be it. There is no lectures today. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, like, share, drop a comment, and goodbye. See you tomorrow. You will fine as hell. Your heart's my cell. I will write you a poem. You rang at the gym. I will paper to pen. The rest can stand and stare. You're a 10 over 10. You're a 10 over 10. Back in the beginning.